Nico the Narwhal carefully crafted a marble maze on the sand using tiny, delicate shells. He worked with great focus, placing each shell to create a winding path for his marble. Suddenly, a powerful wave rushed onto the shore and scattered the shells everywhere. The beautiful path disappeared in an instant, leaving Nico feeling quite frustrated and sad. He took a deep breath and looked closely at what remained after the water receded. He noticed that the heavy stones had not moved at all during the crashing wave. An idea sparked in his mind. He would use these sturdy stones as his maze corners. Nico carefully pressed the shells deep into the wet sand to create stronger, low walls. These walls held steady against the shifting tides, proving to be much more durable. When the next wave arrived, the clever maze stayed mostly safe and perfectly intact. Nico finished his game with a wide, proud grin, happy that his hard work succeeded. He learned that smart solutions come from watching what works rather than just rushing ahead.